I went to a coding bootcamp to become a software engineer, and it did help me to break into tech. But not everybody has time and money to do that. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to follow a similar path for free. This is a structured roadmap for beginners who want to become developers without going back to school or paying thousands for a bootcamp. You can follow this guide part time or full time, depending on your schedule. And it's based on everything I learned from bootcamp, job prep, and my real world experience working in tech. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let's check something important. Do you actually like programming? If you never coded before, I highly recommend watching the first two lectures from Harvard's free CS50 courses on YouTube. They give a great introduction to what programming really is and help you figure out if this path is right for you. I've linked both lectures below in the description. Step 1. Pick a programming language and master the basics. Every programming language has a purpose, so choose one that aligns with your goals. Want to build websites? Start with JavaScript. Mobile apps? Try Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. Data science or automation? Go with Python or R. If you're not sure yet, I recommend checking out this free career path quiz on Codecademy. It can help you decide. Personally, I chose web development, so I focus on learning JavaScript first. But no matter what language you choose, here's the key. Don't skip the fundamentals. Take your time learning the syntax, data types, functions, loops, and then practice solving beginner challenges on sites like Code Wars or LeetCode. This might take anywhere from 2 to 6 months, depending on your schedule. For me, it was about 4 months while working full-time. One of my favorite platforms is Reactor's free coding bootcamp prep course. It has video tutorials and an IDE built into the site, so you can code directly on the site and check your answers right away. Check the link below in the description and sign up for a free account. Step 2. Level with frameworks, libraries, and real-world tools. Now, just learning the language itself is not enough. You also need to learn frameworks, libraries, and tools to start building actual projects. If you're on the web development path like me, and once you're comfortable with JavaScript, a common next step is learning React, a front-end library used by many companies. You can follow structured programs completely free on platforms like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy. These programs are free and they guide you through HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, and beyond, depending on your programming language. You can also explore affordable paid resources like Codecademy Pro, Udemy tutorials, or edX professional certificate programs. These go deeper and often include hands-on projects. Pro tip: before moving on to frameworks, make sure you're comfortable solving basic problems in your chosen language. This step might take you 3 months to a year, depending on how much time you can invest. And remember, don't just watch tutorials. Build projects as you go. Step 3. Build a big project and don't do it alone. Once you've done some beginner projects like a to-do list or Reactor app, I suggest you to challenge yourself to build something bigger. Build a full-stack app, clone a popular website, or create something useful that solves a real-world problem. But don't do it alone. Collaborate with other students who are on the same path. Working with others will teach you how to communicate clearly, use Git and version control, and solve problems as a team. You can find collaborators on LinkedIn, Discord, or Twitter or X, and Reddit. I will link some information below in the description. These experiences will make your portfolio stronger and help you prepare for real developer jobs. You don't need a bootcamp or degree to become a developer. What you need is structure, consistency, and the right mindset. I've been through the structured bootcamp path, and now I want to help others get the same clarity without the price tag. If this roadmap helped you, let me know where you're at in your journey. Drop your questions in the comments. I read and respond as many as I can. And if you want more videos like this about learning to code, transitioning into tech, and what it's really like working as a software engineer, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.